to fill it. Timber loader. Choose the refueling gun of this press the pump. Amazing! Now we can remove the wood from the plot. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. You're doing really great. Now we need to fill it. Hydraulic hammer. Press the pump. Don't stop. Let's crack the biggest rock. Let's wash. Hydraulic hammer. Bulldozer. Now we need to fill it. Bulldozer. Keep it up. We need to prepare everything for the digging machine. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discolorations. Amazing! Filling. Excavator. Amazing. Let's dig a pit. Now we need to wash it clean. Excavator.